The next strata docs we want to review is the strata plan. So strata plan, as long as there is no issue, it's fine. And what I like to do is to actually determine the unit entitlement of the subject property with the strata, because that's going to determine upcoming cost. So in our case, it was unit 66, and it has 880 unit entitlement out of 80,830. So what do is we do 880 divided by 80,830 times 100 and equal 1.08, and we'll call it 1.09. So that basically means that this unit equals about 1.1% of the strata. Why is it relevant? Because during AGM, for example, where a upcoming repairs calls for a special levy because there is not enough money in contingency, then we know that this unit is responsible for 1.1% of the overall levy. So what does that mean? If a levy is $100,000, basically by having this proposition carried, we understand that the unit is responsible for $1,100. Simple. If the levy is for $500,000, then the unit is responsible for $5,500. That's how much the owners of this unit will have to pay towards the levy. In smaller strata where there is less unit, then the unit can be 6% or 10% of the overall strata. So then, because you divide by less, it becomes a more significant expense. If there are some litigation regarding storage or parking stall in terms of common property or limited common property, that's also where we're going to find the answer in the strata plan. Once that's done, we move on to the next one.